Hello, my name is Charles and welcome to my video on fridge doors getting a little bit tricky to open. I thought this was just a design feature of the fridge in that when you have just closed the door, it becomes, it kind of sucks it in so that it can get the temperature down to the right level. After a few minutes, then you can open it just freely like this, but you'll see if I just wait 1 or 2 seconds, often you take something out of the fridge and then you need to put something back in and you go to open it and it just won't move, so you have to give it a really good yank to get it open. There we go. All right, now there is actually a very easy solution for this, and it only involves one tool. This is a cable tie. Ideally a thickish one, and what you need to do is you need to locate a particular hole which is right back here at the back of the fridge. So if I just stick this in here, put it in as far as I can, give it a good wiggle, sometimes you'll find that another indication that this needs to be done is you've got loads of water on the bottom of the fridge and maybe it's even leaking down here. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay then, so I've finished giving that a run through using the cable tie. So it's been closed for a few seconds, so let's see if when I close it immediately it opens straight up. It does indeed. So basically that's fixed. I haven't done this for about 4 to 6 months, but when it starts interfering with the door and making it a pain, then that's all good. Previously, I used to have to tug on this so hard that the handle actually ended up bending, and these screws needed to get tightened up because they were getting wobbly. Anyway, I hope that this helps, and if you found it useful, please give me a like and make some comments, and feel free to subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck in fixing your own fridge. Bye.